Azerbaijan is actively working on the transition to a fully automated transit system. Head of Transit Operations Department of the State Customs Committee, Farid Valiyev, said in an interview with CBC. He mentioned that relevant legal framework has already been prepared in this regard. Thus, in October of last year, the State Customs Committee approved the basic principles of computerization of international road transport procedures. It should be noted that in order to simplify the process for the implementation of international transport, TIR Carnet booklets are issued. Note that TIR Carnet allows road transport of goods in transit between member countries of the TIR Convention. It facilitates the circulation of goods under duties and taxes suspension by simplifying the customs procedures.
Были проведены переговоры с Казахстаном, Грузией, Украиной на
Negotiations were held with Kazakhstan, Georgia and Ukraine on the computerization of the TIR system along the East-West corridor. We also consider an important element of encouraging and improving the country's transit potential along the North-South corridor. In this regard, last year negotiations were held among Azerbaijan, India and Iran on the transport of goods under the TIR procedure in this direction.
In order to join the new computerized transit system of the European Union, Azerbaijan is studying the international experience in this direction. According to the presidential decree, the customs authorities have been entrusted with issues such as adapting national legislation and establishing a transit guarantee system to connect to the European computerized transit system.
Было отправлено пакет предложений по внесению поправок в существующее законодательство.
A package of proposals was submitted for amending the existing legislation in order to bring national legislation in line with the norms of these conventions. In order to fulfill all the requirements of these conventions, we are going to carry out reforms in the spheres of legislation and information technology in the near future.
Конвенции по упрощению транзита в нашей стране.
Along with the simplification of transit procedures, membership to a new computerized transit system will increase the export potential of the Republic of Azerbaijan.
Присоединение к КТС подразумевает упрощение.
Membership to new computerized transit system implies simplification of documentation. In other words, one transit declaration that will be provided in the country of departure will have a legal value both in other transit countries and in the countries of destination. In addition, it will have a single guarantee mechanism. Of course, it will provide more opportunities for economic operators.
Экономическим операторам больше возможностей в их экспортных потенциалах.
Azerbaijan, which is a participant of North-South and East-West international projects, plays a major role in their implementation. Thus, Azerbaijan is a bridge linking Europe with Asia and also has a huge transit potential. From this point of view, the transition to a fully computerized transit system will open up new opportunities for the country.